Hello guys, welcome back to Amoke Vlogs. This is the #1 events, travel and adventure YouTube channel. So currently I've parked somewhere along Nairobi-Namanga Highway. I'm going to a place called Laviniah Farm House. Laviniah Farm House is at Kisaju. That's along Nairobi-Namanga Highway. The reason why I'm here is because Google Maps misled me. So currently I'm somewhere, let me show you. I'm somewhere, Google Maps told me that I've arrived, but look guys, I'm somewhere with no structure. So I'm wondering, is this place underground or where? But I've called my colleagues and they had advised that I hold on. They send me the correct pin so that I can proceed to the location. I've used this highway to go to Tanzania border, but I've never gone or stopped at Kisaju. Thank you very much for the support that you have showed me so much. Thank you very much for the views and the subscription and likes, comments I've seen on my previous videos, guys. So today I want to go check out this place, review it, so that you guys can also come here and enjoy yourself. Always remember to leave a like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to Amoke Vlogs. I had missed the turn and drove 17 kilometers past the point I was supposed to turn. So guys, I've gone back and found the road. So from Kitengela, when you're going towards Namanga, you branch right. You'll just see a signboard there written Laviniah Farm House. So it's approximately around 15 kilometers from Kitengela town. I'd already gone around 30 kilometers from Kitengela town. I got lost again. I'm headed back. Apparently I was supposed to turn right here. Let me turn left and check it out. So if you're coming this place for the first time at night, you are in trouble. So guys, eventually I found Laviniah Farm House. So guys, I've checked this place out and it's awesome. It's the concept is it's just a guest house or a villa with a farm within it. From the aerial footage you can see how green the place is, because they try to do some irrigation. As compared to other places around here, plants are dead, but this place is green. So guys, I've done some tour of the house, and it's just a 2-bedroom house with a master bedroom and another bedroom with 2 separate beds. So guys, if you feel that you are not comfortable sharing a bed, you have a separate room with 2 beds. They have wood everywhere. The storage is wooden. The ceiling is Masai shuka. It's very ambient, guys. Also, they have tried to incorporate traditional lighting, like using the lanterns, also using old beer bottles, etc. I've also seen they have a nice sitting area with a nice couch whereby you can sit and watch television. And also they have a cooking area, an open kitchen with fully stocked with the utensil, gas, sufurias, everything that you can just come with the food and cook. For us here today, we are cooking some nyama choma and some ugali. Also, they have extra sitting place upstairs whereby you can breathe as you sip your wine or drink and check out the entire view of Laviniah Farmhouse. To sum it up, I've also seen they have a bonfire place. I've been told that this place is usually hot during the day and very cold at night. So you can go and lit some bonfire, make stories, share drinks, and enjoy. Generally, guys, this is a very nice place. It is my first time to be here, and I can give it, you can try it out if you want somewhere private, out of the noises from town. This is the place to be. Have you been to Laviniah Farmhouse? If you have, leave a comment below. How was your experience? Will you wish to come back again? Did you refer anybody to come back here? For us, we'll be here overnight till morning. By the way, the mutual person who has brought us together at Laviniah Farmhouse, her name is Faith Njoroge. So today is Faith Njoroge big day. It's her birthday, so she invited us to come here. And who are we? Tukitwa sherehe, we turn up. Faith, once more, happy birthday to you. See the concept of light. This is where you keep your clothes. You have a mirror here. Very nice wardrobe for clothes, everything. Yeah, more storage areas. Awesome place.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So it's the following morning here. We slept late. I slept at 2 a.m. I left some people still partying around. I don't know what time they slept, but waking up, I found them sleeping. This lantern is still on. So guys, this is an awesome place. It's a place you can come for getaway if you do not want noise or disturbance. The neighbors are far. The other land surrounding this place is here to develop. The only animals you can see here are like those cows behind grazing. So guys, I want to say thank you to Faith Njoroge for organizing this function. By the way, it was her birthday, and we really enjoyed. So for those friends who came over to support, it was awesome. Thank you to Laviniah Farm House for hosting us here, and it was nice. So guys, if you want a place to come and have a me time or a family time or a vacation, guys, try check out this place. It's not that big, but at least it can give you some privacy. So guys, if this video was of benefit to you, remember to leave a like, thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Amoke Vlogs. See you in the next video.
Malitentula,